In this video, I'm going to show you how to assemble your calligraphy pen. So you're going to need your pen holder and you're going to need your nib. So the nib fits into the top of the pen holder here, and this is what they call a clip pen holder. So it has 4 little claws, as it were, that expand and contract to accommodate your nib and hold it in place. So right now, because your holder is brand new, your clasp might be out and pushed against this metal ring at the top. So what we're going to do is just take your finger and push them ever so gently out from the edges so they're more towards the middle. Then you're going to take your nib and you're going to insert it, use it from the base here, which is the bottom of the nib. And what you're going to do is you're going to slide it in so all 4 of those little clasps are underneath the nib, and the nib is sitting flush against this metal circle. So I'm going to do it here. You may need to rotate it around to find a place where it would slide in easily. So mine does it there. And you can see, hopefully, that all 4 of those little clasps are underneath. Now you're going to push it in just as far as it needs to go so it's not wobbling, okay? And then we're going to do a little bit of an alignment exercise because this is an ergonomic pen holder. So put your fingers in these lovely grooves, which is where you're going to hold your pen when you write. And then I'm going to have you rotate your nib around, if you can get it around. Sorry, there you go. Rotate your nib around so that the slit, which is this line that goes up to the tip, could form an imaginary line that runs right between your fingers, like so. So if you press on your nib, you can see those 2 tines open up nice and evenly and easily. Now the last thing I want you to do to prep your pen to write is to get a raw potato. And what we're going to do now is remove the protective coating on the nib. So all nibs come from the manufacturer with a thin coating of kind of oil on it, and it just protects them in transit from where they're being shipped so they don't rust. So you need to remove that before you write, or otherwise your ink is just going to bead up and roll off. So what I'm going to have you do is just very gently slide your nib into the potato. Make sure your potato is not too hard, and then very gently slide it out. And that is your pen all ready to go and write. So just make sure whenever you're using it that you've got the alignment right, and you just want to make sure that the vent stays straight up to the ceiling as you write. You're not twisting your pen this way or that way as you go.